a really nice color for a Chanel 22. Get this little pearl bag. That is really cute. Chanel is all in the details. You guys, so look at this beautiful bag that I just spotted. I've never seen this one before. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So, oh wow, it is such a beautiful day, even though it was supposed to rain. I'm currently on Fleet Street because I had to get a couple of travel vaccinations because we're gonna go to Costa Rica soon. I'm really excited for that. And yeah, so now we're on our way to see Dina and some new Bulgari bags, and we're gonna talk to her about one specific bag that she's trying to score for me. So fingers crossed, I'll tell you more later. And then we're just gonna go Chanel, Dior, Louis Vuitton, the usual. And I'm so happy about the sun. Guys, I am just walking past Somerset House and I thought, hey, let me show you this beautiful building. This is where London Fashion Week, where most of London Fashion Week's shows are actually taking place. And isn't it beautiful? Such a beautiful morning. Okay, I would say let's go to Bulgari. And we're here, guys. Let's see what's on the window display. Beautiful green python. Serpenti forever top handle. Gorgeous. Dina is actually not in today, she's on holiday. That means we're gonna come back in a week maybe. But this is not gonna stop us to look at all the new pieces. And I think they actually have a serpentine top handle bag in this lizard color. Maybe we can see that. But look at these beautiful rainbow bags. And okay, I am excited, guys. Let's have a look what's new. I think we've seen these colors before. Wow, they have one of the ellipse bags in this beautiful purple color. Stunning. More purple. Oh, I love the ellipse bag. I think it's a very elegant version. Like if we look at Prada bags, I think they're very casual, right? A Prada re-edition. I think this is like a perfect, like chic option. More beautiful green bags in Caron. Caron is so durable, guys. And ooh, an east-west serpentine. Look at this bag, guys. It's so modern and I love the thick serpentine forever chain on it. Absolutely gorgeous. More beige and yellows. Here we have another east-west flap. And oh, I love my little micro one. I have that one in gold. Look at these beauties. And you know this is one of my favorites. I can't believe they still have it. I think it's around 24k. They made it in black as well. Absolutely love those. Some crocodile beauties and some more. Look at this serpentine pouch. I mean, we are going to look at the new versions that are coming out. Actually, guys, they are recycled fur, which I think is great. So it's not faux fur, it's not fur though as well, it's recycled fur, which I think is a great option to still get the look, but you don't have to feel guilty. So yeah, ooh, look at this one. Absolutely gorgeous. And what do we have here? A stingray flap. Love this one. Crocodile bag. And yeah, guys, I think that's it. Can't wait to come back soon and see the new bags with Dina. We have a look at Chanel next. First, let's see what's on the window display, and then let's go in. It's always very exciting. I think this collection just has lots of tweeds and actually patent leather bags. I love patent leather bags, you guys know that. I think they're very durable. Ooh, a little pearl beauty. Nice. I think we've actually seen these pieces before. I think they have not replaced them yet. So, I mean, the reflection is quite bad anyway. I would say let's go in. Wow. The purple color is quite nice. And the clasp. Can we zoom in? The clasp is really pretty. Look at these new totes. I've never seen them before. Yes, look at this. So, I think it's a really nice color for a Chanel 22. Look at this little pearl bag. That is really cute. I think it's tweed and pearls. Oh, this one is definitely new, guys. Lots of sequins. Really sparkly. Look how cute. Black patent leather. And the shearling bags are black. Shearling? I never know how to pronounce it. You can't really see the CC logo. Look at this tiny little bag. Cute color. This bag, guys, comes in black as well and in pink. I've seen it in a really beautiful vibrant pink downstairs. Maybe we can try that one on. And even darker red. It's a really like burgundy brownish kind of red. Really nice. Same for the boy bag. I would only hope that the quality is better so that we could buy stuff. Chanel is all in the details. Look at this beautiful bracelet. The classic reissue 226. Yeah, they have the classics, guys. In beige as well, the tote. And look at this tiny little beauty. I think Coco Neige, guys. Yeah, nice travel bag. Yeah, it is, guys, in pink. Wow, that's nice. Look at this one. That's just stunning. I would just be a little bit worried that the pearls or the crystals are gonna fall off. But other than that, yeah, it's a nice clutch. Look at this beautiful tweed round bag, guys. It's nice colors. I just wish it had gold hardware. This classic sling bag. The gold metallic is stunning, right? And no price. Oh, 870. A little bit more than the classic tweed. Remember this Chanel 22 bag? I'm gonna tell you a story about that. Also that pink classic flap. You guys, so look at this beautiful bag that I just spotted. He's actually currently looking for the Chanel 22 in tweed. The pink one that I always wanted to have a look at. He's recently seen it, so I guess that's cool. But this one really caught my eye as well, even though it had silver hardware. Look at these flowers. I really wonder if it's gemstones like Bulgari does, or if it's just like a crystal. Let's ask. They also got this pink classic flap in tweed, and this is actually champagne gold hardware. I wish this one would be embroidered with flowers. How gorgeous would this be? Okay, so here we have the beautiful vibrant pink, but this is the same kind of leather that Dacob had his, from at Super Dacob, that he had his Chanel 22 bag in. And we all know how badly that peeled. I would like to buy so many Chanel bags, but I mean currently you can't until they address their quality issues. You could of course wear it on the little top handle as well. I love the color, I really do, but I would be too afraid with leather at the moment. This one is just stunning. I wish it had gold hardware. I think it's my favorite out of all of these. One is really nice as well. This is a total teddy bag. I love this little velvet bag as well. Wow, look at this beauty. These are so expensive. They're probably like 10, 11, 12k. But absolutely gorgeous. Okay guys, so I literally came out of Chanel and the bags are beautiful, the designs are stunning, but we really can't buy anything at the moment. The quality is just so bad. We know, everyone knows what happened to me, everyone knows what happened to Dacob, right? But what I saw today, there was like a mother-daughter duo from America, and they were looking at bags. And one of the pink classic flaps that they actually looked at had such bad wrinkling at the back that it was already cracking. It was a caviar bag. Then, of course, they had a tweed bag that had some loose threads, and they were like, oh yeah, that is normal. I was just listening to their conversation. I was thinking, oh god. And also, the girl was wearing a black Chanel 22 bag, and on the front even, it had really big, like, peel areas. And, you know, as long as they're not addressing the issue, I think we should not buy anything. Quick stop at Louis Vuitton as well. Can you see how windy it is, guys? My hair's gonna be messed up. Stop at Louis Vuitton, guys. Wow, I think we've seen this one in the Capucine version before, but it captures my attention every time. This one is relatively new, like a little luggage case, very Louis Vuitton history. I think Lydia Lismillen just got this. A black crocodile, shiny crocodile, Capucine. That is the dream, of course. That's Louis Vuitton's answer to the Birkin. This is the largest Vivienne plush I've ever seen. This is like a sofa, guys. You guys know I love plushies. It doesn't say how much it costs. I would really like to know how much it is. Wow, and here you can see, you can have your Louis Vuitton pieces hand painted. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, look at this flower. This is really gorgeous, and I think this is their workstation. Wow. I think if I ever would get a trunk, I would definitely, you know, have them paint on it. I wonder. Oh wow, that's actually quite interesting. I've never seen this in a Louis Vuitton before. Beautiful cherry blossoms. Oh my god! How cute is this? Would you guys do it if you ever get like a trunk piece? Would you get like a nice little painting on it of your pet? Or just flowers? Oh wow, blue rose. That is gorgeous. This is really lovely as well. I thought I have to show you this. More cute things. In Germany we call this Krimskrams. Stuff that's cool but you don't really need it. I have these pieces from the Garden collection. Really nice coat, and look at these buttons. Stunning. Look at this beautiful weather. Wow. Hi. I think I really want one of those. I just don't know what color feathers I would choose, and I think you can actually find them with like fake feathers as well. Faux feathers. Quick little look at what goes around comes around again. They have great eye candy, but they're so overpriced. That's what they have in terms of Louis Vuitton, and I think they have a lot of Chanel minis. Let's look at those. Wow, okay, that is quite the choice. Can't believe they have a vintage Chanel backpack. This was still the real gold-plated hardware. Worth so much than what we get nowadays. Oh my god, this is Jessie's little bag. Jessie has this in Jessie from Jessie Style. She has this one in pink. Wow, that's the first time I see it. It's quite small. I always thought it was a little bit bigger. But gorgeous. Maybe let's try some of these on. And look at these colors. Like guys, you really need to dance around at the moment at Chanel to try and get your hands on a mini. And here, you know, in the pre-loved market, they're readily available. How could I not spot this one? Look at this. That's a gorgeous little clasp. I just wish it was real gemstones, you know, if you would buy something like this at Bulgari. This would be real gemstones. So many gorgeous headbands at Fenwick. I love their designs. Look at this. Really cool pieces. Oh. And look at this one. That is very me. Kurt Geiger bags. I mean, you know, they bring out so many different styles. And you can actually find quite nice bags here, to be honest. It's like the cheap version of Bulgari bags. You don't have a snake head, you have like a little bird head. This one is quite nice. Love the color, obviously, and the little head with the sparkly stones. More understated pieces. It's quite nice. Puffer version. I really like these ones. You know, sometimes you just need to look at some brands that are not well known. I mean, how gorgeous is this? Sophia Webster. I love it. Golden version, a little bit more understated. Quick little stop at the Global Boutique. They have so many beautiful store fresh MS bags. Look at that red Mini Kelly, a dream. But of course, guys, you need to be prepared to pay a huge premium. Stop at Selfridges. Okay guys, so that's actually the first time I see a Lanvin box cat bag in Selfridges. Usually they always only have the hobo bags. It's of bling bling and pearls, but how cute is this? I love this heart bag. Valentino pink. Yes, it's quite a bright pink. I mean, they are currently claiming the pink color. It's gorgeous. It really, like, right? Sticks out. Wow. Okay, so I know Jessie really loves it. That's quite a bright pop of color. I think I love it because the gold looks really good on it. I think the other ones are more like pink on pink. I think this one pops more. Oh, thank you. Gucci bags, anyone. So I've seen this model in Harrods before. Love it, of course, because it's purple. They have a pink version as well. Is there anything we like? I think this is a new model. Silver Diana bag. Some nice little... Oh, I forgot the name of this bag now, but I really like it, especially the suede version. Some puffy Gucci totes. They are new as well. Some more Chanel eye candy. This is from Chanel 22K as well. Little tweed bag. These come out in the patent version, the black patent versions as well. There we have little flower embroideries. It's definitely a new style as well. Can we see the clasp? I have not seen this bag before. And another little teddy version. These tiny bags, guys. I always wonder what people would end up putting in there. I mean, AirPods, coins. I don't think you can fit a lipstick in there or keys. They're just way too tiny. Even more Chanel eye candy. Wow, okay. I mean, we have seen many of these special edition hype boxes. I've never seen this one before. With the tiny little golden classic flap and the pearl Chanel. Oh, more Chanel. God, we got so much Chanel eye candy today on tape. I'm really proud of myself. So yeah, let me know what was your favorite Chanel piece that we've seen today. Oh, look at this blouse. I mean, that's dry clean only. With all those tiny little beads and pearls. Nice suit, nice camellia flower. And that is a stunning coat as well. With a tiny little red pop of color. Guys, look at this. Beautiful pink Chanel 22. Lots of pink. Quick outfit of the day. Just my lily silk blazer dress. I think you can wear it as a blazer. I always wear it as a blazer dress. And my beautiful Gucci bag. Winter Saint Laurent bags. So these are all shearling bags. I like the color of them. But I mean, they are very winter specific, and I don't like it if a bag can only be worn in a set season. I like to have bags that I can wear all year round, basically. My first Christmas tree for this year. So early. Actually, guys, I still have a self-produced voucher. And I was thinking, let's look at some self-portrait dresses, because I've really fallen in love with self-portrait, the brand, you know. They have so many beautiful dresses. Should we look at them? Guys, they actually have the dress I'm looking for. It is so me and so gorgeous. But they only have size 4 left. Let's see if she finds any other size. I don't have the beautiful black one that I'm actually looking for. Of course, sold out, only size 4 left. I need size 8. So I really like this one, but this is size 4. And I squeezed myself in. I think it's gorgeous. Like, you can see how tight it is though. Yeah, it doesn't work. I definitely need to size up, but all the good stuff is sold out in my size. But yeah, I love it. Ooh, pink overload. I love it though. I love this dress. It's like effortless, shabby chic. I love it. If you're looking for fashion inspiration, you just have to walk through Selfridges dress. It definitely inspires me all the time. Can't believe it, guys. They have my absolute dream bag, a Raisin Birkin 30. Yeah, okay guys, so that was it for today. All the bags I want are not there yet. They haven't come out yet. I really liked the, like I said, the aesthetic of the Chanel bags. I still would really love to see the pink tweed Chanel 22 bag, to see, you know, if the tweed in theory would wear better than leather. We see. Obviously that's all the Bulgari bags, no question. Let me know what you enjoyed from today's vlog, and yeah guys, still a beautiful day, even though they promised us rain. And yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes we do. And I see you again very soon. Happy weekend. Bye.